I'm Meg, and I work for Conversant Labs. Today I'm going to be giving you a demo of TinCan, a prototyping tool for Amazon Alexa skills and other voice applications. Let's say I want to build a skill for myself that helps me out when I'm hungry and orders my favorite food. I've created a project in TinCan called I'm Hungry. And when I look at the editor for this project, you can see I have a number of intents. Intents are groups of functionality or the intentions of your users when they use your application. So here I'm looking at an intent called choice, and I have a slot called choice where I have the different food options available to users. I put in some examples like pizza and taco. I also have utterances. These are things users can say to trigger this intent. And I also have a system response. So this is what my system should say when the intent is triggered. So here in the editor window, we can do the work of wireframing a voice application. Then when we're ready, we can play with our voice application and simulate it. So here on the simulate window, I can talk to my application and see how it responds. I'm hungry.
Would you like pizza or tacos?
So here I can play with the application, and I could even conduct an in-person user test if I want and have them talk to my application. And let's say a user says something my system doesn't recognize. Cookies and milk. The application doesn't say anything, but if I know it should be saying this,
Great. Your order is on its way and will be there in 30 minutes.
then I can click the button to the appropriate response and make that experience happen for the user test. I can then go back and look at that specific utterance and add it to an intent. I can even label certain words as slot values. And my application gets smarter as I go. Now let's say I'm ready to show this application off to even more people. I can launch a prototype. So here you can fill out some information, hit save and launch, and then you have a publicly available URL that you can share with people. Here's what mine looks like. So I can take this URL, share it with whoever I want, and they can interact with my prototype of a voice application. I'm really hungry.
Would you like pizza or tacos?
Order a pizza, please.
Great. Your order is on its way and will be there in 30 minutes.
Do you have dessert?
Sorry, I didn't get that. Could you rephrase, please?
So you can see when I say something that the system doesn't understand, the prototype or the launched prototype will ask me to rephrase what I said. And if we go back to the editor, we can view the collected data. And I have a number of transcripts already, but I can go back and look at that last conversation I had with my application and look at that utterance that the system missed. And just like before, add it to an intent. And once again, my application is getting smarter. And having that launched prototype enables me to harvest a lot of data that I can use to make my application smarter. And let's say I do this for a while and I'm ready to start working my way to putting my application on the Amazon skill store. I can export files that show me the intents as well as all the utterances in the format I need to upload it to the Amazon Skills Kit. So if you're ready to try this out, just go to TinCan.ai where you can sign up for the beta.